Hey everyone, check out this ultimate 3-gallon all-in-one fish tank starter kit designed for beginners and kids. It comes packed with a high-definition float glass bowl, a quiet 3-in-1 filter pump, and a bright plant light. You also get landscaping substrate, artificial plants, a thermometer, cleaning tools, and a rotating display base. The ultra-quiet pump provides great filtration, oxygenation, and oil film removal to keep your water clean. It is the perfect home for bettas, tetras, shrimp, and small aquatic pets. Bring your indoor space to life while relieving stress with this gorgeous desktop aquarium. Grab yours today and start your fish-keeping journey. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.